Welcome back, students. Let us continue the lesson Advanced Features of Word Processor 2. Okay. So in the previous session I have explained how to find the text in Microsoft Word. So let us open Microsoft Word. Okay, so this is the window of Microsoft Word. Now in today's session we are going to learn how to replace the text, replacing the text. Besides searching the text, you can also replace the words or phrases with any alternate text. Here, you can search the text by using search button. Along with that search, if you want to replace with any alternative words, in that case, you can replace the new words in that existing words place, or you can change, or you can put alternative phrases for that existing sentences. To replace the text, follow the given procedure. Here they are given steps how word can be replaced. So let me copy one paragraph. Here, just I am copying one paragraph to explain. This way I don't want. Let us go for some other parts. Okay, so let me take this, then copy it, just we will paste it here. So this is the text. So just now I have copied from help menu. Now what I will do, I will remove the spacing to make it compact. Okay, so we'll make it, then by using the font, set some font settings. Okay, see now how we can search the text and how we can replace the text by using replace option. By using find option you can find the text, and by using replace option you can replace the text. So first of all, before replacing, first you have to find the text, or first you have to search the text in this document. So first click on home, and on the home tab you have a editing group. So on the editing group you have a find option. So just click on find button to search any words. For example, I want to search store. See, wherever store is there, so that word is highlighting. You can see in two places we have that word. So this is finding. Now, so in that same group, editing group, on the home tab we have a replace option. Just click on replace. So in this replace dialog box, find and replace dialog box, you have two boxes. The first box is of the word which one you want to find. Okay, so we want to find store, and second box is of replace with, in the sense in the place of store which alternative word you want to replace. So that word has to type it in this box. So in the place of store I want to type assist. Okay, just one demo purpose. Then click on replace button here to replace the words one by one. So when you click on replace, see here we have a store, and again when we click on replace, it gets assist. You can see here. Okay, so again click on replace. So now, so that all the words are replaced in the place of store, assist got replaced. So now let us find SCC wherever SCC is there. So in the place of SCC, I want to replace store, and here they are given a replace all. So replace means what happens? Word gets replaced in every occurrence wherever it gets. So in that place it gets replaced, and replace all means at a time that word gets replaced in all the places. Just click on replace all. So when you click on replace all, word got replaced in all the pages. See, okay, let us see whether it got replaced or not. No. Okay, sorry, it is replaced. You can see it, stored. So in this way you can use find and replace. Now same option can be accessed by using shortcut key. For example, Ctrl F. First of all, let me open on-screen keyboard. So in the on-screen keyboard, here press Ctrl F. Control F button to get the find dialog box. Here you have not got that dialog box because I have not clicked in this window. So press Control F. Is it coming? No. Then press Control H. Control H to get the replace. It has to come. Okay, we have got. Okay. So find also comes when you press Control F. So just type a word. I want to find out maximum. So in the place of maximum, I want to replace minimum. Okay, so I want to replace minimum. So wherever maximum is there, I want to replace with minimum. Then I will click on replace all. That word. So wherever that word maximum was there, it has become a minimum. Okay, so in this way you can use keyboard shortcut. Okay, so keyboard shortcut for replacing is Control H and Control F. Yes, it has come here. You can see a minimum. So whatever the word you want to find, you just type it in this box to find the word, and that word will be highlighted in your document. For example, upload. I will type here upload. Wherever upload is there, so everywhere that word is highlighting with yellow background or yellow color. And for replacing, press Control H button to get the replace option, and you can replace. So that works. I hope you have understood this, how to find the word and how to replace the word in an existing place. If you have any questions, any queries, please comment me, please ask me, so I will clarify your doubts. Thank you for watching.